Alright guys, kind of trapped in a corner here, so we can't get you a good angle on it. We have today a 2014 Kenworth T-680 day cab. Has the Paccar Mx-13, 455 horse, 10-speed ultra shift Eaton fuller transmission. You get a 120-gallon fuel tank on this side, and it has a wet line kit. Has the big heavy-duty rear ends in it with the heavy-duty 8-bag suspension on it. But look at here, she's all disc brakes as well, and got the tall rubber on it. Somebody gonna say, "What do you mean with tall rubber?" Let me just show you. It's an 11R 24.5 rubber, and there is your hydraulic and for your wet line kit. So she is ready to go. Now it has a nice interior. It has the leather seats in it, automatic transmission, full lockers, climate control here, AM/FM CD player, and even has the RAM mount already, I guess, for your Qualcomm or laptop or whatever you need to do to keep up with your customers there. So she has currently the mileage is I'm looking. I don't see the mileage. She has 335 rears. The mileage is on here somewhere, I'm sure. Yeah, we'll get you the mileage there in the comments. My sheet just says super low miles. But anyway, boss man wants this thing moved. Here, I'll show you what the Mx-13 Paccar motor looks like, but we've shown you a bunch of them, so we'll show you this one. So there you go. That's what a Paccar 13 motor looks like. And hold on, I'll show you the other side. Everything appears to be there. What y'all think about that? I don't know what that is. Some kind of valve or something. You guys know what that is? It's above my pay grade right there. Deco valve. I don't know. I don't know if it has something to do with the hydraulics back there. Maybe it idles it up when it's running the wet line. I bet it's what it is. But anyway, she's ready to go, man. Anybody need a good day cab with wet line kit on it? Throw it in the oil fields, whatever you want to do with it. We got it currently priced at $59.9, but like I said, the boss man said to move it. So give me a call and let's get her out of the yard here and make the boss man happy. It even comes with Speedway sandwich. Just see what that is. Oh yeah, somebody's lunch. Nice. Alright, so there you go, guys. Somebody come down here and buy this T-680 day cab off of me. Let's make the boss man happy. Give me a call, 423-308-4027. Again, 423-308-4027. My name is Tim at Mhc Kenworth in Chattanooga. Standing by on the phones. Give me a call. See you.